Hi guys, so I want to show you another DIY door alarm. Very simple thing, very basic things I used to make it. First thing I used was a clothespin, little 12-volt battery, the ones you use in gate remotes, and this 12-volt buzzer, which you can all buy in a hardware store or electronics store. The only thing I used extra was a little piece of wire going from the battery side to one of this contact screws here. As you can see, the screw's contact points there, the heads of the screw, as soon as you touch, act as a switch, causing the buzzer to sound. And you just put a little piece of plastic in between with a wire or some string or something you can put around the handle of a door, or you can attach it to a door. This is optional. I put some magnets here so I can put it next to the door on the door frame. You can either put some screw holes in it and screw it onto a wall, onto a tree. You can even use this outside with a tripwire around the house, not only with doors. It's a very handy thing. Basically, the battery doesn't cost more than 50 bucks in South Africa. This little buzzer doesn't cost more than 30 bucks in South Africa. And the other stuff I used was just stuff that I got from home. Very simple, very effective way of notifying you if somebody is opening a door or walking around in your premises. Yeah, so if you guys would like me to show you more on this, you're welcome to send me a request. If you want to know more about some other alarm stuff, CCTV cameras and so on, give me a shout and I'll see if I can help you. Thank you for watching. Cheers.